Hello students, today I am going to discuss about op-amp, which is an operational amplifier. I will discuss it very briefly. Now let's start. Now let's discuss about the figure of op-amp. You have seen it. There is a 4 chords there, 4 lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count it from anti-clockwise direction, from where the notch starts. Okay. One is offset null. You see the one, it is offset null. The two is inverting input 3, and the 3 is non-inverting input 4. 4 is negative power supply, negative supply. 5 is another offset null voltage, offset null. 6, here 6 is the output, and 7 is positive supply, and here 8, there is no connection in the 8. It is the basic general diagram of an op-amp. Now let's discuss some short information about op-amp. What will be the output voltage of an ideal op-amp? If V1 or V2, V1 and V2 will be the two input offset voltage. I will discuss what is the input offset voltage, the voltage which should be applied between the input terminals to balance the amplifier is called input in offset voltage. That is, to balance the op-amp, amplifier, operation amplifier, there is two voltage is applied input terminal, which is V1 and V2. Then what will be the output voltage? Then the output voltage, let it be V0 equals AD into V1 minus V2, the difference of two input offset voltage. And what is AD? AD is the gain in difference signal. Now let us consider the case where V1 equals V2. Then what will be the output voltage? Then the output voltage will be V0 equals ADVD plus ACVC. There is a new term AC. What is AC? AC is a voltage gain in common mode signal. Now, so that if V1 equals V2, that is, if the two input offset voltage will be equal, then what will be the output voltage? The output voltage will be V0 equals ADVD plus ACVC. We have considered here two new terms, input offset voltage and output offset voltage. I have discussed the input offset voltage earlier. The definition of output offset voltage will be the voltage that appears at the output with two input terminals grounded is called output offset voltage. Here we will consider another new term, which is CMRR. CMRR, the full form of CMRR is common mode rejection ratio. It is the ratio of AD by AC, that is the gain in difference signal by gain in common mode signal. If the gain is very large, that is, if what is common mode rejection ratio? It determines the perfect performance of the op-amp or operational amplifier. That is, higher the value of CMRR, better is the performance. Being a large value, CMRR is often expressed in decibel, in dB. It is here, it will be function of dB. Then the CMRR will be 20 log 10 base AD by AC.